Good morning. We're up to Wednesday, September 24th. Let's take a look at what the markets are doing today. We don't have too much economic information that's scheduled, some housing information. We'll get a little bit more tomorrow. It's really kind of a quiet news week. Let's look at some charts. Okay, I'm using the SPX this morning rather than the futures. And that's because I wanted to show something that probably more people can relate to. Here we are with a 1 year chart. We had our big drop when we were first trying to digest what's going on with the tariffs. We recovered from that. We were expecting 2 rate decreases from the Fed. We got one of them. We moved up nicely from that yesterday. We found some reason to panic again. And that part I would expect to continue through the rest of the year. Basically up, but with a lot of panic. Let's go to 3 years and a week at a time. Okay, so we do that, and you can see here would have been about a month, right? Each bar is a week. Here we had 3 out of 5 that were down. A little bit more of a pullback here. About a month, 6 weeks. And then here we are now. Now, back here, we were at about 64.02. So we've come up quite a bit, right? I'm looking at these numbers right here on the side. Let's just plain call it 64. And we're now up to where we're about 66, almost 67. So that's a pretty good sized increase. I think it is possible, very possible, that we have a similar increase between now and the end of the year. So if we add another 250 points on this, we won't quite get to 7,000, but you'll be able to see it from there. And that's what I think will happen in these last 3 months and a week. I think we're going to see a lot of volatility, but unless we have some surprise that isn't expected, I do think we're going to get another rate cut. We may have some tariff scares. Who knows, maybe Russia or China will get out of control and that'll derail everything. But based on the information we have right now, I think we're going to be quite a bit higher by the end of the year. So I'm going to switch to a little more bullish trades. Good luck out there.